Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. Today in this video, I'll tell you about a homeless boy who invented Louis Vuitton. You are watching Wealthy Brains and now let's get in this video. Louis Vuitton was a French fashion designer and entrepreneur. He was the founder of the Louis Vuitton brand. Despite early ups and downs, he was never discouraged to do what he dreamed of. Now, the brand is regarded as one of the greatest luxury brands in the world. Of course, in the fashion world. However, few may know the fact that the giant fashion house we now know didn't have a privileged start at all. In fact, it wouldn't be further away from the truth, being the second oldest luxury brand that is still operating today. It's no surprise that Louis Vuitton has been one of the most valuable luxury brands in the world for decades. Scroll down as we uncover this ultimate tale of rags to riches and discover how a penniless runaway managed to build a 160-year-old luxury empire with nothing but pure innovation, determination, and skills. Humble beginnings. The story of the luxury house began in the early 1830s, when the 14-year-old Louis Vuitton left his family mill in Jura and spent no less than 2 years traveling to Paris entirely by foot. Having nothing on him apart from the determination to change his life for the better, the teenager took numerous small jobs during his 280-mile journey before successfully landing a job in Paris, working as an apprentice for famous boxmaker and packer Romain Maréchal, packing for the Parisian royals and elites. Impressed by the young Vuitton's diligence, seriousness, and perseverance, Monsieur Maréchal believed that these outstanding qualities would skillfully serve his business and aspirations, and he was right. Within a few years, Vuitton gained a reputation as one of the best in his field in the city, and was even appointed as a personal packer and boxmaker for Empress Eugénie, wife of Napoleon Bonaparte, in 1853. As a result, Vuitton quickly became one of the most sought-after craftsmen amongst the richest and noble in Paris. In 1854, Louis Vuitton set up his own shop on Rue Neuve des Capucines, Paris, marketing himself as a laitier et embroiderie, or a specialist packer and luggage maker. Revolutionary trunk design. To accommodate the ever-growing popularity in train travels and the increasing demand for an innovative and convenient trunk design, Vuitton introduced its very first flat trunk in 1858, featuring a flat top and a bottom design that no one had ever seen before. Previous trunks at the time had arched tops to prevent water from seeping in when they got loaded in the cargo of ships or trades, but this new design, perfected by Vuitton himself, was not only stackable, but also created with a lighter and sturdier poplar wood that made it easier to transport. He then covered it up with a waterproof pearl gray canvas he called Trianon instead of using traditional leather, which easily cracked and was prone to mold and bad odors. The flat trunk turned out to be a spectacular success, and Vuitton decided to expand and move production out of the city of Asni due to burning demands. In the spirit of a true innovator and entrepreneur, Vuitton didn't stop there. He, along with their heirs thereafter, continued working hard to improve the strength and likeness of their creations, while revitalizing fabrics and patterns based on different backgrounds, such as a stripped canvas called Ray, as well as a checkered pattern called Damier to fight against counterfeits. Tailor-made trunks for exotic travelers. Vuitton's business was established right at a time when travelers were eager to explore the newly established shipping and train routes, and exotic travels called for specific luggages. For this reason, made-to-order requests were pouring in from everywhere, and Vuitton began creating luggages and boxes with special designs tailored to the needs of the new generations, constantly on the go. Another extraordinary invention worth a mention was the camp bed trunk, which could be expanded into a folding bed. The ingenious creation was commissioned by Italian explorer Pierre Sauvergne da Brazza, who ordered two for his expedition to the Congo in 1905. The unpickable lock. Most people only know Georges Vuitton, son of founder Louis Vuitton, as the creator of the house's signature monogram canvas, a juxtaposed pattern of flowers, plants, geometric shapes, and the L and V initials, which was meant to honor his father and to protect the brand from imitations. He was, in fact, also responsible for adding another invaluable invention that guaranteed the impenetrable character of every Vuitton creation: while revitalizing fabrics and patterns based on different backgrounds, such as a stripped canvas called Ray, as well as a checkered pattern called Damier, to fight against counterfeits. Tailor-made trunks for exotic travelers, ensuring the inviolability of these luggages, from trunks to bags. During World War I, luxury productions at Louis Vuitton's factory in Esnières were forced to temporarily shut down. By the late 1920s, orders from the world's richest and most stylish, including Coco Chanel and Duke and Duchess of Windsor, began to roll in. From 1930, the house started expanding its productions to travel bags, which included the Keepel bag, the No bag, and the Steamer bag. These bags, originally designed for luxury travelers, all went on to inspire many of the most celebrated Louis Vuitton handbags of today. Entering the fashion world. Having previously focused on accessories, Louis Vuitton officially marked its new voyage into the fashion world in 1997 by appointing Marc Jacobs as its artistic director, who designed and debuted the house's very first pret-a-porter collection in the following year. According to Vogue US, Jacobs explained, "What I have in mind are things that are deluxe, but you can also throw in a bag and escape town with, because Louis Vuitton has a heritage in travel." In 2013, Nicolas Ghesquière succeeded Marc Jacobs as the new artistic director of Louis Vuitton, and has been continuing on the house's legacy and spirit of travel by creatively reinterpreting the house's archival pieces and iconic elements into new contemporary renditions. Limitless possibilities. From camp beds to car tires, champagne sets to DJ sets, and portable libraries to tea services, Vuitton has continued to demonstrate to the world all the unlimited possibilities of a well-designed trunk. To this day, customers can also order their own special trunks at any Louis Vuitton store at any time of the year. Your order will then be made by using age-old techniques at the house's special order atelier, located in the former Vuitton family residence in Esnières or Sienne, Paris, which is currently run by Vuitton's great-great-grandson Patrick. To keep reinventing the house's art of travel while celebrating the union between artisanal expertise and savoir-faire, Louis Vuitton launched the Objets Nomads in 2012. The collection taps some of the world's most innovative contemporary designers each year to design new travel-inspired furniture to be presented at the Salon del Mobile in Milan as part of the Milan Design Week. From a small village boy to a master trunk maker for the rich and noble, Louis Vuitton's voyage to success is a fascinating story depicting the foundations of a brand that would go on to change the world of luxury lifestyle forever. Why Louis Vuitton brand is so successful? The success of the Louis Vuitton brand cannot be attributed to a single factor. The high-end craftsmanship, quality, aesthetic design, luxury, and innovation in a product over the years are associated with LV. Originated in Paris, which has been long as a fashion capital of the world, simply the Louis Vuitton brand is the epitome of luxury goods. The French lifestyle distinctively reflected Louis Vuitton goods. LV focuses on creating high-end craftsmanship and its authentic designs to create an impact on the mind of customers. Vuitton started its career by making luggage for voyages. LV Luggages was different from other luggage companies. The smartly designed LV luggage redefined travel fashion in a time where another company was focused just to make durable luggage. LV was one step ahead of its competitors. The target market at LV was an elite and upper class of customer who could afford their stylish products. The premium price of the product meant everybody couldn't afford it, which established its positioning as a luxury product and became a symbol of status for the consumer of LV. LV did not stop at handbags and luggage. It started to diversify its business. LV started producing shoes, watches, leather, goods, jewelry, perfumes, sunglasses, and accessories. And it did not stop there. LV started making lifestyle products such as Louis Vuitton loafers, Louis Vuitton belts, Louis Vuitton jackets, Louis Vuitton sneakers, Louis Vuitton sunglasses and Louis Vuitton watches, Louis Vuitton charms, and Louis Vuitton necklaces. This is all for today, folks. If you enjoyed the video, then leave a like, and if you are new, then do not forget to subscribe. We hope you have been inspired. See you till the next video, and thank you for watching.